Historically, the role of robotics in space exploration has been massive, due to the unlivable conditions of non-terrestrial planets in the solar system. Before scientists began sending robots to space, animals such as dogs or monkeys were often sent to complete tasks and conduct experiments, in order to increase human knowledge of conditions on other planets and the Moon. As robotic technology has improved, more of these experiments and tasks have been delegated to robots, rather than to living beings. In this way, robotics preserves lives. While humans have set foot on the Moon, scientific knowledge of conditions on planets including Mars, Venus, Titan and Jupiter comes almost exclusively from exploration conducted by robots. With the recent advancement in humanoid robots, the need or practicality of sending humans to space now seems illogical. NASA have already displayed their astronaut robot in the past, but I think they realize they can outsource the most advanced humanoid robots from Boston Dynamics, with robots such as Atlas and Spot. Now the GOAT himself, Elon Musk, CEO of SpaceX, is sending a humanoid robot on the next SpaceX mission. The S-1 robotic arm tech demo, designed by space robotics startup Gitai Japan Incorporated, will demonstrate the versatility and dexterity of a robot in microgravity. The mission will research projects dedicated to exploring everything from astronauts' bone and eye health to the dexterity of robots and how plants handle stress. It will also include an experiment dedicated plant growth, ant colonization, and the brine shrimp life cycle. Designed by a group of Girl Scouts from Central Florida, the U.S. Space Agency confirmed. When searching for signs of life on other planets, scientists say caves are a crucial place to look. But how can a team on Earth effectively explore intricate, dark, unfamiliar landscapes on another world? NASA and Boston Dynamics have found an answer: fully autonomous robots. The research could fundamentally change how we think about future missions. Is now in year 3 of 4 in its quest to journey to the Moon, the Red Planet and beyond. Future potential human exploration missions can benefit from robots in many different ways. Particularly, robots can be sent in precursor missions to provide more information about the destination, before humans land on those destinations. In addition, robots can accompany astronauts during the missions to help with scouting certain terrains or with logistics and many tasks. It's possible that next-generation robots could access areas of Mars that would not be capable with traditional rovers, such as the Perseverance or its predecessor, the Curiosity. Next-generation robot bodies and mechanical locomotion capabilities would enable new types of missions over terrains that were otherwise inaccessible by traditional rovers. Also, due to the increased speed and traversal capabilities of these robots, will mean future missions can target destinations that are traditionally considered to be too far from landable regions on Mars. So I hope that gives you an insight into how and why we use robots in space. Will these robots conquer other planets before humans do? Let me know down in the comments, guys.